everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the April BEAUTYFIX by Dermstore box. If you are not familiar with the BEAUTYFIX by Dermstore box, Dermstore is an online beauty, skincare, health products website. BEAUTYFIX is a monthly subscription that they put together from the things that they sell in their store. You will get a mix of full size, travel size, and sometimes sample sizes in here. The subscription is $24.95, $25-ish a month. You can get it for less than that if you want to prepay for 3 months or 6 months or a year at a time. It's a little more expensive if you do the same number of commitment months but paying monthly versus upfront. I'll put the prices down in the description so you have all that information, or I'll put it up here on the screen so you can see what it looks like. But this is my box for April, and if you subscribe for April, this is the box that you will get. So quick peek inside. Pretty full box, and this one's got some heft to it. So I'm wondering if they gave us some extra things in here, because I don't remember. I'll have to look and see if these were actually on the picture description, but there's a lot of stuff in this box. So you should get $100 value or more in your box. I'm going to call these one product. So we've got Ursa Major Essential Face Wipes, and we've got 3 of them. And these are for Refresh and Revitalize. So these would be on the go, I guess. And these are a 4-in-1. And it says, you are the active ingredient. Do not flush these, it says on the corner. So if you're out and about, don't throw them in the toilet. It's a 4-in-1 face wipe. It cleans, exfoliates, soothes, and hydrates anytime to rebuild dull or tired or oily skin. Perfect for sprucing up at the office, after a workout, or when you're on the go. Made with forest-infused active ingredients. Whoa. Okay. So we got 3 of these, so that would be fine. Now these, I will have to see what these sell for as we go through. I'll put, if we got a full size, I'll put that. If it's not a full size, I'll show you what the full size cost would be compared to what we got here in the corner. So we'll see if these are, how many of these you get in a box. I'm sure it comes in a box for full size. The next thing we got is a very tiny little serum, and this, I thought this would have come on a card or something, but this is just in the box this way. And this is BEAUTYFIX EFG serum, and it looks like it's about a 3 ml size. I honestly can't read. I can't read what the size on that says it is, just because it's tiny and it's on a clear glass and it's reflective through. So it does come with the cutest little squeezy thing I've ever seen. But I'll figure out what size this is and versus the full size. But there's enough in there for a good week of trying it out and seeing if you like it. And this is an EFG serum, and that's all it says about it, BEAUTYFIX EFG serum. So that's 2 of our lots of stuff in this box. There are still at least 2 full-size products in here. And, well, I'm going to say 2 full-size products because these are definitely not full-size. We got samples of the conditioner and shampoo from Rahua. And this is hydration, shampoo, and conditioner set. And this says it replenishes dry and thirsty hair. So that is really nice and fun to have. Let's see if they have a fragrance. Oh, it popped out on me. It's just a nice, clean, fresh fragrance. It doesn't have like a fruity or florally fragrance, but it's not a bad fragrance. It's nice. And it got all over my fingers. It's actually really fresh. Like a clean, clean fragrance. It's nice. I like it. I almost would want, it smells kind of, I mean, I know it's soap, it's shampoo, but it smells like you would want a body wash in that fragrance. It's just a nice, fresh fragrance for summer, which would be great. Okay, so this, we got a full size One Love Botanical, and this is the Enzyme Cleansing Oil. Now with BEAUTYFIX, you do not get choice options or picks. You will get what they send you. And we got this. I feel like I have one of these in my closet waiting for me to use it. This is the Enzyme Cleansing Oil. If either I have this or I have a body oil from them. Anyway, it looks just like this. And a glass bottle, and this is a 120 ml 4-ounce size. So that is one of our full-size products. We have another full-size product coming at you. Hey, if you guys are enjoying this video, I'd love for you to hit like and hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. We do a lot of fun unboxings on this channel and sometimes some random stuff. You never know what's going to come up. The next thing we got is from Grown Alchemist. And this is the Balancing Toner. And this is a 200 ml size. And this is what this looks like. And theirs always comes in, they're grown alchemist, so it always comes looking like old-time pharmacy alchemy stuff. So it's really pretty. This one almost, I can't tell if it still has its amber normal or if this is straight up black. I can't see through it, so I'm going to call this one a black bottle instead of, they usually are in an amber bottle. But I'm not going to open this one. I have a friend that claims all my Grown Alchemist, so this is going to her. So I'm going to leave it closed. But that is one of our full-size products for this box. So we got two. You're not even really guaranteed any full-size products with this box, I don't think. Sometimes you may just get all travel size, but we did get two full-size products. We got however many of the full size this is for these little face wipes. We got our shampoo and conditioner samples, and we got our BEAUTYFIX serum. Again, this box is $25 at its most expensive, and you can get it cheaper than that by paying ahead for your boxes that you get. I do that. I pay 3 months at a time, and this is the second of my current 3-month subscription. So when my subscription runs out, what I do is I will check the website. As soon as the new month starts, you can see what's going to be in that box. So my last 3 months, the month that came after that, I didn't really want what was in it. I waited until it had products that I was excited about to resubscribe, which the last box was the MZ mask, which you guys, if you watched the video, you heard how wonderful those can be. And this box is a great one. I would have resubscribed at this box if I hadn't already. This is a good one. So check out the link below if you want to check out the BEAUTYFIX by Dermstore box. You can also check out what else is available from Dermstore. We've gotten I think it was a skin edit that came in a bag from them once in the last year. It was really great. So they do have good products, good deals, good sales. Check out the website. Check out the link for the box specifically. Again, if you did enjoy this video, I'd love for you to hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and hit notifications if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.